Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. Today I'm going to show you how to change the color of the mobile address bar. Now this works on Android devices, so anytime you're in the Chrome browser and you go to your website or one of your clients' website, you can actually put a color that you designate up there, and we're going to show you how to add that in the Divi theme options. So this is really cool. I do this on all of my sites and my client sites. This really adds that extra touch. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get started.
So this tutorial is a little hard to show you because I'm showing you on a desktop and not on a mobile device. But if you have Android and use the Chrome browser on your mobile devices, then you have this bar at the top. It's called the address bar, and by default, I'm not even sure what color it is, if it's white or not. But you see how I in this graphic I showed how to change it to green. So you want to change this color to match your website. So a lot of websites do this. I mean, even like Facebook does this. Pretty much, I mean, I do it on all my sites. Like pick the color that's kind of like the main color of the brand, and it really adds that extra touch and shows that you went the extra mile with just a simple little line of code. So let's go back in your website and go over to the theme options. So Divi theme options, and try to keep in mind what color you're going to make that. Okay, so then go up to the integration tab, and this first section here where it says add code to the head of your blog, that's where we're going to put this snippet. So over on our blog post, which I have linked down below if you're watching this on YouTube, we have this little snippet, so you can go and copy this and paste that right in here. There it is. So it just says meta, then name equals theme color, and then content equals, and then this is a hex color. So just put in your 6-digit hex color right here, and then click save, and you're good to go. And again, I can't really show you the preview, but it works. You can go try it. If you have a mobile phone laying around with Android, get your friends to test that for you if you don't have it, and pick a color that suits your site really well and your brand.
Okay, so that's how you change the mobile address bar color. If you do this, if you found this helpful and are putting this into practice, then be sure to subscribe, because we have lots and lots of other pro tips like this that you can utilize on your sites and your client sites. All right, well, we'll see you guys in the next video.